Hello and welcome to Polyglot, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of programming languages and technologies. I'm your host Kalyanasudaram K, and today we are diving into an exciting topic: how to implement augmented reality or AR. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, this episode will guide you to creating your very own AR experience right in a web browser. Augmented reality has been a buzzword for a while, offering immersive experience by blending digital content with the real world. Traditionally, creating an AR application required complex software and steep learning curve, but thanks to the modern web technologies, it is now possible to build AR experiences using simple HTML and JavaScript. Today, we will be talking about the basics of AR and HTML using libraries like A-Frame and AR.js. First, let's talk about the tools we need. A-Frame is a powerful library that simplifies the creation of 3D and AR scenes in the browser. It's built on the top of 3.js and which handles the heavy lifting of 3D rendering. AR.js, on the other hand, adds the magic of augmented reality, enabling your 3D content to interact with the real world. Here is an example to get started. Imagine you want to display a 3D box when a specific marker is detected by the camera, that is hero marker. This is the HTML file you might look like. Doc type HTML. The declaration defines the document type and the version of HTML. HTML language equal to EN. The attribute sets the language to English. Head: this session will contain the meta information. Meta charset is equal to UTF-8, which is the encryption, and meta name is equal to viewport. Title will be set as AR.js. Script with src is equal to import the AR.min.js and the other JS files. So the AR frame will be coming under the body tag, where A scene embedded AR.js will be embedded to the HTML. Preset is equal to hero, which is a hero marker, and the position will be equal to 0, 0.5 and 0. Material is equal to color red, which is the metadata how the cube is going to be created, which is the color of the cube is red, and the position is 0, 0.5 and 0, which is a 3-dimension. So we are going to create a 3-dimension cube. So with this, AR marker will be completed and A entity will be formed to create a camera, which is a scene. With this, the camera will be allocated and got the permissions. The A scene will be completed with the body. An AR marker and 3D object, where the hero is the marker and the object is the red cube. When you open this file in the web browser, grant the necessary permissions to access your camera. Point your camera at the hero marker, where you can find easily online or take a printout of it. You will see a red box appear over the marker. It is simple but powerful demonstration of AR in action. Now this is just a beginning. You can expand your AR scene by adding different 3D models, customizing the markers, and even adding interactivity. For instance, you can change the color of the box when you clicked it, or replace the more complex 3D model. That's all for today's episode of Programmer Polyglot. I hope you have enjoyed and inspired to start experimenting with AR and HTML. For more resources and detailed tutorials, check out the links given below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Thank you for listening and see you next time. You have been listening to Programmer Polyglot with Kalyanasudaram K. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep pushing the boundaries of technologies. Thank you.